SP 500 weekly chart, this big size AVC wave C 100% projection near 6108, which I have been saying for last 6 months, fourth quarter last year and first quarter this year, and there was no support, fiscal or monetary policy. And when market realized policy we support growth, they are not coming, and they got shock of tariff, then big vertical crash. It is shocking because speed. Market came down so fast, 10% in just 3 weeks, and it is shocking to everyone. And technical were perfect, exactly 100% projection and big vertical dump for wave C. If you see SP 500 daily chart, because from this bottom, which you can say Biden put, that is 2 years before election, now there is a reset of 4-year election cycle. That was 10% correction, higher for longer narrative, and they stop market crash, just 10% decline. Or simple way you can say November 2023 FOMC meeting. Then market came down again almost 10%, and there was total market crash everywhere. August Jackson Hole meeting, and market was pricing for 75 basis point emergency rate cut. That level of panic. But they delivered 50 basis point cut in September, few months, or you can say few weeks before election, and they saved stock market crash, recession, pre-election. Like Biden history, in last 2 year pre-election, every time on 10% decline there was Fed put. This thing will repeat or not? Because market action is same. Like August, there is a crash, falling inflation, which Fed can justify for his Davos speech, but 4.9% inflation expectation, that is shocking and very dangerous thing. Inflation expectation were hidden all the time. Gold went up to $3,000, but now inflation expectation are showing red alert 4.9%, because they control data all the time and waited till election, because that almost 5% inflation expectation in next 1 year easily justify 3000 gold price. If Fed repeats same like September 2024, everything dovish. The rate decision, dot plot, speech, everything dovish. Then this can be major bottom, and price ultimately breakout of 6200 in upcoming time. But U-turn from Fed, because 4 years ahead of next election, just 10% decline, not 30%. So maybe Fed change its tone this time, but that will be clear confirmation that Fed put is dead at least few years, but not 1 year after election. Now Euro USD weekly time frame, this last wave exactly 61% retracement and a big vertical jump. And when people will read history about fiscal and monetary policy, they will find nothing but US was behind this melt up all the time, from bottom to top. To stop that 10% stock market crash, because their rich friend, highly leveraged, they must have bought at top, now they must be dying. To help them, even if they change policy, fiscal or monetary policy, What is the consequence? In the end, they want falling yield and weak dollar, which already happening. Market gap down, almost double bottom on tariff news, clear warning in Telegram channel, then melt up. But history book will say this is German policy, not USA. Same thing author 1 did in first stagflation cycle. There was so many policy which they did to skip recession. But when you read history for monetary policy, for Fed, you will found nothing. So same thing is happening now. They did weak dollar to stop market crash since inauguration when Fed paused interest rate. Since then, yield constantly falling. Indirectly, they are doing cut. So behind the scene, Trump is already doing something to stop market crash after 10%. And now Fed FOMC meeting, now there will be direct attack from Fed. So this highly overbought, at the same time highly crowd selling trade. Entire crowd is selling right now, but correction toward 1.060 level is possible. GPUSD resistance breakout and almost there 61% retracement top to bottom, but it need correction and this static support near 1.27 and this trend line that will be big dynamic support level. So seller, this trend line retest is your downside target and do not buy before trend line retest again. USD JPY daily chart, price making falling wedge chart pattern, lower trend line, upper trend line testing again and again, and this pair always copy paste of US 10-year bond yield. Since Fed paused interest rate, yield are constantly falling and we have this falling wedge pattern. Top to bottom price retrace 61. That was trade plan in last video. Buying on this area 146.948. If you have that perfect entry, hold and let's see how high it goes during FOMC. But that area fifth zone, always war zone, and you can see price retrace exactly to 50% retracement level, 149 area. So for new entry, wait for more upside correction, the falling wedge breakout come, that will be ugly. Then in case retest of 152 level, then you can sell again. So dollar index indirectly you have seen multiple time. In August 2024 last year, they used JPY, Bank of Japan to trigger market crash. In February 2025, they are using Euro, German fiscal policy to weak dollar. So directly Fed is doing nothing, but they are getting desired result, weak or strong dollar whenever they want. That's why in news you are seeing stagflation, the code word for everything. Same thing author 1 did. You will find no monetary policy or fiscal policy track, but there was that intervention all the time. So this was your top near 159, counter and correction, resistance 152. After correction you can start selling again. 10-year bond yield Friday closing above lower range of Fed interest rate. So new dot plot, then we will decide what next. But tariff panic which triggered market crash, 4.9% inflation expectation, And CPI, they were cool last week but still high. So inflation problem is still there, and 10% stock market crash, low growth, high inflation. So welcome to stagflation, which Fed blindly ignored in May 2024 FOMC meeting last year. So many policy tools, we don't know what Fed will say and how he will balance everything. But that was top in yield, 4.8%. They are falling, and this is just counter trend correction. After that, it will go down again. But this thing happening again, which Fed do historically all the time, they hike into economic boom, they cut into economic bust, or simple word you can say recession. Bitcoin weekly time frame, your complete wave counting, 5 impulsive wave, then AVC 100% projection, and big vertical crash. Crash begin with double top, neckline breakout retest, fall again, possible parallel channel, price making support near lower trend line of channel and near previous horizontal support level. Bitcoin will stay in bear market until next QE start again. And this week, March FOMC meeting, I think most important for Bitcoin. Either they officially announce clear date when QT will end, or even if delay one more month, then already wait for Bitcoin. Clear information on QT will come from Fed this week. GDX weekly time frame, that wave counting, no change. WXY wave, price struggling near 38% projection. So that resistance did not break out, but gold hit $3,000. So even a small correction in gold, GDX will do big action. But if 44 big static resistance, then 34 big static support level. This same like that trend line on gold daily time frame. Silver monthly time frame, this area big static resistance zone near $35. Static resistance, fib projection, so be careful. Oil weekly time frame, same thing again. Price testing big static support, a trend line. Either see dynamic support trend line or static support $65. But this is a big support zone. A breakdown, then price can fall up to $40. If some investor is still addicted to easy money, then Lutlik last week confirmed, even if tariff lead to recession, they will do it. Because ultimately they want recession and tariff is just a scapegoat.